everyone, it's Jennifer, and it is December the 24th, pretty much the last day of the Advent. I will do another video, which is a wrap-up, and show you everything I got in my Advents, because Southern Skeins did include a package for the December the 25th, and I'll show that on the wrap-up video. So, I guess we should get started, since it is the 24th, and here is the 24th, and in here is it's thread snips. Oh, so here we go. We got thread snips. These are nice. Very nice. So we got thread snips. And then this calendar is done. Awesome. So that's done. I got those. And then the 24th for the Woobles. Alright, these are good. Let me close that up. And turn that over for Pusheen. And in here we've got some stitch markers done in red and green. Those are very helpful. I just had the tin from yesterday. There it is. Matter of fact, they will go right here in the tin from yesterday. How perfect is that? So that's awesome. Love that. I have one more from Haverland. And we'll check this out. Oh, wow. It is full of sock yarn bobbins. That's perfect. I love that. Oh, I got one more in there. So these are the sock yarn bobbins. I love these when she does these. She actually will sell you a full sock kit to make scrappy socks out of her sock yarn bobbins. So love these. Absolutely love these. They have approximately 10 yards, maybe a little more on them. So these are fantastic. Actually going to keep them in the bag. So love those. Yesterday from Haverland, we got this mini skein, and it's beautiful. It'll go really good with these bobbins. I can make some nice scrappy socks. And then from Southern Skeins, I still have one more skein from Southern Skeins. It's the Christmas Day skein, so I'll be opening that in my wrap-up video. Alright. Let's check this one out. Oh, how pretty is that? Nice and pastel-y. Greens and purples. It's very pretty. And these are the ones we've opened the past few days. So those are really pretty. Love those. And my last for the Hearts on Fiber. I'm super excited. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is glittery and it is green. The camera is not doing this any justice. It is really green. It would match this one perfectly with the greens. I mean, it is green. Love that. I'm trying to get the color and it's not coming out. But, I mean, oh my. That is beautiful. And they are really on the sparkle base, and it's just not showing. There's a little bit of the sparkle right there. And it is like a forest green. I love that. So I hope you've been enjoying watching me open my Advents. I've been enjoying them myself. So there will be a wrap-up video, so there'll be one more Advent video. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.